What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today we are going to be taking a review of Jackson Storm from the Silver series, because why not? The card art is basically the exact same as the Copper Canyon or the Florida 500 Jackson Storm, besides the silver thing on the side and the silver Jackson Storm. On the back, we have the stylish and speedy, these shiny. Yeah, we've been through this before. Now we see Jackson Storm and only check, even though there are many more. So, yeah, let's get into this, I guess. So let's get into the review of this guy. So, as you can tell from the standard Jackson Storm diecast, the color is different, which is pretty obvious. One main difference, though, is the rims. As you can tell, that the rims on the silver one are a lighter blue, and the rims on the normal one are black. And also, the tires are no longer have the blue light here. Everything else is basically the same. But if you go to the back, you can tell that the 20 is in the exact same place as it normally, actually it's a little lower, and there's no more rookie stripes, which I think is pretty cool. Also, the silver one has a blue igniter, I don't even know what it is, and the other one does not. Also, you can finally see the igniter logo on the wing, because it's really hard to see in the black Jackson Storm. Other side basically the same, and the roof bars are now black instead of gray. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video is. I'm Fabulous 95, and I'll see you guys next time.